From the moment we started using peer assessment in our introductory psychology class, we've also been conducting research to ensure really that we're reaching the goals that we hope we're reaching. And I'd like to give you a couple of examples of findings we've had in terms of peer assessment. So in one case, for example, students are asked first to submit a composition that reflects their critical thinking about some issue. And so it's a short composition. They submit it, but as they do so, they're also asked to judge the quality of their own work, give themselves a mark out of 10. And by the way, they always tend to give themselves a better mark than they ultimately receive by about 1.5 at that point out of 10. They then go into a second phase where they're shown some exemplars of their peers' works, anonymously presented, and their task there is to decide which is better than which and why, and they have to put all that into words. So they have this very rich learning experience. At the end of that, we show them their own piece again, the same piece they submitted earlier, and ask them again. We tell them, you may remember what mark you gave, but disregard that, look at it with fresh eyes now. What mark do you think it deserves now? And what we find is their accuracy at predicting their final grade increases significantly. In fact, they're about 40% closer to the actual final mark they receive. So this shows that just one instance of seeing peers' work and evaluating it is enough to help the student understand better the quality of their own work.